Good morning, WCEadventures. On today's adventure, I thought I'd do a little bit of crafting. I'm making hats for my daughter's birthday party. So, like I said in the Hobby Lobby video, which I'll put a link up in the top and also in the description, I have a machine, I have a Cricut. So she wanted everybody's names on the hats. So as you can see, so the hats, and then I cut out their names. This is the name. I go on a website, it's called DaFont. I download the fonts and then I find them. So I found a font that was kind of close to Pokemon. It's for personal use only, just to let you know. So I'm not selling them, it's just for personal use. So, and then I want to show you, you're probably wondering, how am I getting these on here? These are iron-on. It's called a heat transfer vinyl. So what I have is I have a machine. It's not a heat press. Cricut came out with their own version of a heat press. It's called an EasyPress. It's easier for me to have it because I have such a small area. I mean, I'm in my living room. Hopefully I'll get something downstairs, but I want a heat press. I have a EasyPress. So, but I have to turn it off because my stinking cat likes to walk on it. So the first thing I do, and I'm going to show you what I do. All right, so I'm going to turn it on. And I want it to be at 305. So I'm just pushing it up until it goes to 305. And then it's going to heat up. And it's going to beep when it's ready. All right, we're almost there. Almost at 305. And then you'll hear it beep. So it's green, and it's saying that it is ready. So what I did is I put a paper towel underneath because it's got a brim to it because you have to press. And then I'm just gonna make sure that it's where I want it on the brim of the hat and line it up to where I like it. It looks about right. And then I'm gonna take my heat press. As I get the parchment out, make sure that it's still okay. I'm going to take my press onto it. I'm going to hit the green button and I'm going to push down, and then it's going to count down. Okay, and it's done, so I'm going to lift up. As you can see, some of it didn't actually work because it's a rounded piece, so I'm just going to move it over a little bit so I get the whole thing. But like this piece, it didn't, because it's rounded, so I have to go back. That's why I have the paper towel under here, because it is rounded. But it's warm, so but this side didn't get it. So I'm going to quick do it again. Once you let it cool a little bit, you peel off the transfer tape and then it's on there. And you should be able to see the fabric underneath the vinyl. And this is Cricut vinyl, so it's not any of the other, it's just Cricut vinyl. And there it is, all said and done. Finished. Ta-da! They were hard to work with, by the way. I want a heat press so I can get the hat part so I can do this easily. It was hard though. So I ended up actually just pushing it and smushing it down. But the brim kind of stayed flat, and then as it cooled back down, it's back to its normal shape. So, and with that said, I am off. We did our part. Now it's time to do yours. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye, adventurers.